Hey guys, it's Kristen and it's a chilly Sunday fall afternoon and I am making some wild orange raspberry chia seed jam. So I haven't made this before, but I think it'll be tasty. I started out with 4 cups of frozen raspberries. So I put them in this pot here and I've been cooking them down in a medium pot. With this, I've added some maple syrup, so a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and then also just a little bit of sea salt, just a little sprinkle. And I'm stirring it for a little while and breaking apart the raspberries. You're going to cook it for, maybe 8 minutes or so. Then we're going to reduce the heat on it a little bit. And what we're adding in now are some chia seeds. So we're going to sprinkle those in. So we've got 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in here. And then just kind of, I'm going to switch over to they're kind of mashed now, switch over to my wooden spoon. So we've got 2 tablespoons, the raspberries got my tongue, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Then we're going to also add to this 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let's see if I can do this without spilling it. And we're putting that in here. Love adding vanilla extract to things. Always a winner. And keep stirring. We're going to add about a tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and I'm not that always keen on measuring, so I'm just going to take this lemon and I'm going to squeeze it in there. Make sure you don't get the seeds from the lemon. Oops, there's one. Uh-oh, we're going to have to dish that one out. There it is. Yeah, don't do that. That's what not to do. So we're going to just get a little lemon juice in there. And then we are going to add 3 drops of doTERRA wild orange oil. So I would only do this with doTERRA because I know this is a pure oil that I can ingest. So wild orange comes out fast, so just beware of that. 1, 2, 3. I think a 4th one snuck in there. And we're going to now take it off the heat. We're going to let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. And then we are going to put it in a couple of jars. So this is going to make enough for a couple of jars of jam. So they make great gifts or just for your breakfast, or you can add some into oatmeal, put it on pancakes, put it into brownies if you want to get a raspberry brownie flavor. So we're going to let this sit and cool. And we're going to take it off the heat so that it can cool down. And that is our Sunday afternoon creation, and that's about how long it takes, just a couple minutes, 3-4 minutes, once you assemble your items, and you can enjoy some delicious wild orange raspberry chia seed jam. And this recipe comes to you from the summer edition of 2018 Living Magazine with doTERRA. So check that out if you want to get those specifics. Again, thanks for watching. Looking forward to tasting this yummy jam.